Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Idefine here. Okay, I'm really excited. It's the first time I'm trying a wig out from them. So this is the packaging. I got the wig, and then I also got an information card as well as 2 pairs of wig caps. So that's everything in the box. This is today's gorgeous wig, which I'm excited for. You guys know I love a signature short look. This is a wear and go Pixie wig. Pixie cut, no lace, machine made wig, and it's glueless. It's human hair, and it is perfectly constructed. As I'm showing you, everything is really secure. This is perfect for my beginners. Absolutely no installation time, really. You literally drag this on your head and you go. It has elastic bands in the back, combs in the cap. It's super secure and it's very realistically made. Everything looks good. It feels good. As I said, it's 100% human hair. I went ahead and slipped it on, and of course, you know, it needs some shaping. This is it straight out of the packaging. Okay, so I was just making sure that everything aligns and kind of just, you know, playing around with that to make sure that it sits comfortably, but it was really nice and snugged. I got this in a medium cap size. It really did feel very good on my head. It wasn't too tight, but it wasn't loose. Like, it's super secure. So the construction was definitely a 10. As I said, this is a human hair texture. So we're gonna get into curling it and stuff. But you see the back, it's really nice and snugged. It's not like, you know, lifting off or anything. It lays really nicely, and I love the layers and the way the cut is. So as you can see, I went in and I used my small flat iron to really get nice, like, defined pin looking type of curls. That's exactly what I was going for, which gives like a Betty Boop vibe. So it all depends on what you're going for. If you want like a looser look, but I wanted that like pin curl vibe, so I took my time and just thoroughly went through the wig bit by bit and ensure that each piece was curled properly. And it was easy, you know, it wasn't too bad. To make this easy, I could curl this on a mannequin's head, and that would make life much easier, but it really didn't take a long time for me to go through the entire thing. So that's all I was doing here. this is how the wig looks once I'm done curling it. You see how gorgeous those curls came out, and it also held the curls really nicely. Look at that. So you just play around with it and shape the hair to your liking. The sideburns, everything just looks super cute. And to know that this is a slip-on and go wig is just a 10. You could literally, if you know you have somewhere to go, I'd suggest you probably curl this overnight. You spray your holding spray so that the curl will last. And the next day you could just slip this on. Yeah, it's as easy as that. This is very low maintenance. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this if you're looking for a wig that looks amazingly professional, that's cute and really quick and easy for a beginner. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. I just love this cut. This cut is everything. So I did proceed to, like, you know, playing around with the wig further, and I wanted to switch it up. So I took like a scarf and gave it like a scarf look here. So you could do a number of things where that is concerned. And so it's so cute, man. I absolutely enjoyed this look. So if you're looking for a short pixie trendy vibe, this is your wig. I 10 out of 10 recommend. And because it's so short, you don't have to worry about, you know, like shedding and tangling. I had absolutely no issues with that. The hair is soft and silky, easy to manage and easy to style. The holidays are around the corner. I think this wig would make the perfect gift, like 100%. So I use a scarf there, and now I'm taking a headband, and yeah, it's giving Betty Boop. It's giving. Place the direct link to this wig down in my description box. So if you guys are interested in it, that's where you can find it. Any discount code, any deals, all the information, all of that will be listed down below. That's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. Also subscribe and stay tuned for my next look. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.